Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're stopping out at Chester County Transmissions for a quick stop because I got some news for you guys. Something that's going on here locally. The only place in this area, 19320 zip code, that's selling AMSOIL products on site. You guys can come here and you can pick up your AMSOIL. Not only are you supporting an awesome local business like Chester County Transmissions, you're also supporting B Synthetics. That's me. Pretty cool. You can just come here and get whatever you need. If he doesn't have what you want, he can order it for you and get it in stock. Well, Andy and the guys are really busy, so I'm gonna roll out of here. But what I wanted to fill you in on is, unfortunately I didn't get to film any of this. Mike's truck, Mike, you might recognize this truck from Instagram. It was here getting a full AMSOIL service. So if you want CCT to do your AMSOIL service, rather than just picking up your stuff and taking it home with you or taking it to another shop, CCT can do it all for you. Mike did a full, complete, like 60,000 mile service on his truck, and I don't even think he's at 60,000 miles yet. And complete driveline. He transfer case, AMSOIL signature series, so he got the liquid synthetic gold, put it in the engine, and diffs, I mean, you name it, he did everything. Everything's done. So he knows he's safe. He's going on a nice long trip to Myrtle Beach here. Kind of jealous because I just got back from my vacation and we got eaten alive by flies, but we'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, truck's all done, taken care of. Thanks, Mike, for using CCT. Mike also wanted to have a Mishimoto catch can installed. Mishimoto actually shipped the catch can last Thursday. Today is Thursday, so we're at exactly 7 days and it's still not here. So we tried to get it through another distributor, several other distributors, and no one has the catch can in stock for this 2015 Ram 1500 from Mishimoto. So hopefully it shows up today before Mike comes to pick it up. Again, thanks Mike for using CCT to get your truck maintenance needs taken care of and using B Synthetics, because I know you got it indirectly through CCT, but that still helps B Synthetics. Whoever did your wrap, they did an outstanding job. It's really good. It's really good. It actually looks like it's factory until you get right up on it and you know to look for it. So yeah, very good job on your wrap. Wish I can actually have the truck pulled out, but Pete's getting ready to install your new lug nuts, your spike lug nuts, and I don't want to interrupt them anymore. So rolling out, heading to the JP shop after I work tomorrow to unbox something really, really cool. And I think we're like one of the first to actually have one of these things in our possession. So can't wait to show you guys that. Alright guys, so we're out at the JP shop, and as you saw in the little video, the little B-roll footage, we got a Mishimoto Snorkel kit. This is very new for Mishimoto. It's actually a whole new line, Borne Off-Road. So it's a whole new line that they came out with, and this is one of the first things that they're launching, is the Snorkel. But unfortunately, it is with RG. We're going to need a Mishimoto airline to do this installation. I was going to do the installation today. Not gonna happen, but here's all the components. Looks pretty basic. We will be doing a video at some point. I just got to reach out to Mishimoto and have them send me their airbox, because I'm not installing the stock airbox back in this Jeep. It's not gonna happen. You know, we got a S&B cold air induction in this Jeep right now. It's just not gonna work with this setup, unfortunately, because we were Joey's all excited to get this thing installed, excited to cut a hole in the side of the hood. But yeah, this is all the components to the kit. Right here. Very cool. Mishimoto. Going in soon. I'm gonna reach out to them right now. This is how it will be laid out once it's installed. And the cool thing is a while back we did an actual tour of their headquarters in Delaware. And part of the person this design was he's no longer with the show. I don't think he's with them anymore. I talked to him on Instagram. He was part of this project. It's going to be going on. And I personally consider him a friend now. But yeah, this is where we're at. And you got a template there. That's what you're going to use to cut the hole in your hood. And basically, like this photo right here. They gave us two of everything, instructions wise. But see how it's sitting on your hood right there? It's actually going to stay sort of permanently mounted, like right here. Your hood's going to shut around it, like right there. So I guess that's a misconception. I know a lot of people think that it actually opens and it stays attached to your hood. No, it does not. It will sit right there. But yeah, we got an S&B cold air induction with our filter wares pre-filter on there. He's gonna lay it out. Yeah, as you can see, it's gonna sit on the fender there and ride along right up there, and that's where our problem is. I guess we we probably could mount a portion of it, but we would get stuck right here. We'd have to remove this. It's let's do it right first time. Let's do it right. Right, guys, we'll do it right the first time. We'll show you the Mishimoto airbox. I got some good news, guys. I just talked to Mishimoto. They're sending us their cold air induction or airbox. I wouldn't say it's cold air induction. Technically it is. It's going to go into Snorkel. It's going to go up, and it's going to be bringing all that cold air from high, not low. Low? Not, you know what I mean. But we're going to check the catch can because today's not going to be lost. If you remember, a while back we installed a Mishimoto catch can. It's been about 5,000 miles. Look at that. Look at that. So if you remember correctly, this catch can has a little valve right here. It's hidden behind the wheel liner. And yeah, that's about 5,000 miles. Not really much, actually. Maybe it's about 3,000 miles. I don't know. It's a few thousand miles, and I think that's about it. This is the first time I have actually drained any of it. All right. Looks like it's done. Are you messing with me, Joey? Joey, you messing with me? You messing with me, Joey? All right, let's see what it looks like. And then see what you do is you just shove that little valve right here back up behind there so it doesn't get whacked by a rock. And now we're gonna send this over to Keith over there. Keith has a laboratory where he actually checks the oil to see what's inside of it so we know we're good, right? Don't you have a lab that you check this stuff in? Yes. We're gonna send it out to, what? What? Does that oil look good? Look at all that blow by.
Oh, I remember that thing. I don't know if it actually works.
What is it?
An oil tester.
All right, what are you testing it for? Metal?
A bunch of shit.
Gas? Nitrates? Nitrates would blow up, right? Oh, nitrates are food. They're in the food. Stop.
Check that.
Where'd you get this from?
I don't know.
Why is it flashing red? It's flashing red. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Why'd you put it on diesel? You put it on diesel? So yeah, this lubie check. This is the first time that Joey's ever used it. We don't really have a clue of what it does. We might have to Google it and see what it does. Oh, there's instructions. Right now, Tracy and Keith are working on the axle to that Beamer over there. Having a good time with that. You having a good time with that? Yeah. What? I missed your battery's low. Well, you never know, but I can tell you one thing, it wasn't circling back inside the intake, so the Ruby's engine is safe. Well guys, this video is coming to an end. I know I've been sort of slacking in the video game.
But he hasn't been in the family and the husband and the father end.
Yeah,
things.
and the
We've
work.
been keeping him, yeah, work.
The work end. Like, I've been really busy, as you guys can imagine. Work's been keeping me busy. So, yep, YouTube comes second. Fun stuff comes second. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm definitely gonna pick things up again. I'm gonna try to do, like, I got a lot of videos to edit, so I'm gonna sit down this weekend and get some videos edited so I can get out there, because I know some of you guys are waiting for a few of these videos.
Definitely.
We are gonna do the Snorkel install. That's gonna happen. Talk to Mishimoto. They're sending us one. I think I already mentioned that. So that's gonna happen really soon, so stay tuned for that. As always, if you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button.
I'll take it easy on you.
Turn on all those notifications.
Ding ding.
Yep, make sure that you hit that little bell. Check us out on social media, Beast Projects. We're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
You don't stop.
And check out allbeastprojects.com. That's our website where you can get our merch. Beastsynthetics.com, as you already know in the beginning of the video. That's Amsoil. That's, you know, that's something I'd like to get into at some point. We're going to talk about how we make money to have things like this, the charger, you know, all the vehicles and all the fun stuff that we do. It doesn't all come from YouTube ad revenue. It comes from other things like Amsoil, and it comes from all you guys supporting us, so we can do that. So thank you so much. We're going to get into it. We're going to do a video on it. It's going to happen, so I can explain, sort of show you guys the ropes a little bit of how we do it, and it's
This how we do
it's a good thing. Amsoil, dude, I'm telling you, Amsoil is great residual income.
And it's a great product.
And yeah, it's an awesome product, something you can stand behind, and you can become a dealer through me, but we'll get into it. We'll get into it. All the information is always in all the video descriptions. It's on the web.
Wrap it up.
Yeah, it's on the website. All right, we love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.